Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Pelcro actions on Zapier. So for this example, I'm going to connect Google Sheets to Pelcro. Since we're using Pelcro actions, Pelcro has to be on the right-hand side, so Pelcro, and then Google Sheets on the left-hand side. So the connection here is going to be that every time a row is created on a spreadsheet on Google Sheets, then a customer gets created on the Pelcro platform. So the trigger here would be a new spreadsheet row. And then the action here would be to create a customer. So click on try it. Get started. Zapier is already connected to my Google Sheets account. So click on next. My Google Drive. So the spreadsheet I want is this one. So next. Sheet 1. So Zapier requires us to already have an example row. So let's say the customer I want to create is John Doe 2, since I already have a John Doe. So Doe 2, last name, John, first name, email, john.doe2@email.com, and then phone. So go back to Zapier and click on try again. And Zapier detects the row. Here we're required to connect a Pelcro account. So I already have a Pelcro account connected, but to connect a new account, click on connect new account. And then the credentials you'll need are an API key and the site ID. And so both these credentials can be retrieved from the Pelcro platform. And you also have instructions here to tell you how to retrieve them. And once that's done, click on next. And so these are the fields that I want to create a customer with. So email, first name, last name, and phone. I click on next. So the corresponding attribute for email is the column that has email, so email. And then for first name, first name. For last name, last name. For phone, phone. So I click on next and send test. So now a customer is created on the Pelcro platform with these attributes. So if you go to the platform and click on refresh, you'll see that John Doe 2 is created as a customer. So go back to Zapier and click on next and click on turn on Zap. And so now that the Zap is turned on, let's give it a shot. So go to the spreadsheet and let's create a customer called John Doe 3. So Doe 3, john.doe3@email.com, and then phone. And I'll go back to the Pelcro platform. So it might take a while for the customer to get created, but if you click on refresh, you'll be able to see the customer. And yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching.